Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's recipe I'm going to be doing some mini shepherd's pie. And for this recipe we're going to start out with our ground beef. Now I have the 93% lean, 7% fat one. You can get the one with more fat as well. I'm going to start by cooking this down to brown it and then go ahead with my seasonings. So because this one doesn't have a lot of fat, I'm going in with some olive oil to just add a little bit more fat to it. And now we're gonna go in with that ground beef. Now in here I have onion, garlic, bell peppers, scallion, and I also have some fresh thyme, and I'll be adding it to the pot. And I'm going in with some tomato sauce. I also went in with some peas and carrots, salt and pepper. And I'm just going to place it to a side and allow it to cool whilst I work on the crust. So for this recipe, I'm using beef broth. Because the dish contains beef, I felt it was the best thing to pair it with. Now you can still go ahead with your water and your salt if you don't have access to beef broth, or if you have chicken broth, you can use that as well. Now we're going with the potatoes. And I'm using my foolproof recipe for the best mashed potatoes using a potato ricer. I'm also adding my Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, salt, black pepper, just a little bit more of the garlic powder. And I also use some ground white pepper as well. That is my go-to every time. Of course, butter. Now for this one, because I have to pipe it and it's going back into the oven, I am adding the yolk of 1 egg. So I'll be right back. Next, I'll be using my cookie cutter on my pie crust. I'm going to cut them out and start to assemble them into my pan. So after I cut them with my cookie cutter, I'm just placing them into my muffin pan, and I'm going to allow them to bake for a few minutes, just so I'm not putting the filling on the raw dough. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back. And this is how they look coming out the oven. They are still not fully cooked, but they're about halfway done. So now I'm going to start to go in with my ground beef. And next I'll be putting the mashed potato into here and piping it. This is how they look. And back into the oven it goes. And they are all done. And this is how they look. Beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.